They're hard at work, but not for corporate America. They're actually the business partners of Dr. Katie Rodan and Dr. Kathy Fields. Well, you may know them best as the creators of Proactive Solution. They're here today to talk to us about Rodan and Fields, a unique skincare line sold in a unique way. First of all, I'm so excited to meet you guys because as the creators of the most successful acne line ever created, I mean Proactive Solution, you are not just lying on a beach somewhere, besides the sun damage, retired someplace. I mean, you still felt the need to create another, even more impactful line, and called Rodan and Fields, and I'm very excited to hear about it because it not only is a great new line, but it's also giving other women an opportunity. So tell us a little about this line.
Well, we know as dermatologists, acne is just one of the many problems that people suffer from head to toe. But we also know as doctors the right way to help people really improve and transform their skin, because this will also transform your life.
But let me give you an example of one of the conditions that we treat. Sun damage. You know, what most people don't realize is that everything that they hate about their skin as they get older is due to sun damage. It's the loss of glow. Your skin doesn't have that radiance it once had. It is brown spots, it's uneven pigmentation. But the excitement here is that through our system called Reverse, we can help reverse the signs of sun damage.
And we do it with a special spotlight. This is a tool that our consultants have, and they come into the privacy of anyone's home, their friends, family, and they can actually see all the sun damage. You may look pretty good, but underneath, all that damage lies within. So this tool actually will help people understand what they're doing and then take control of their skin and stop burning and reverse the damage.
And that's what we love about direct selling, is it gives everyone an opportunity to educate people about their skin so that they can get the right solutions.
Okay, so this is a great product, and now you're allowing women at home to sort of be entrepreneurial about this product. So tell me about that aspect of it.
Well, this is interesting because when we were in retail, we were the #1 brand in the big department stores. But we learned something very interesting. It wasn't the counter girl who was selling it, it was the girlfriend. It was word of mouth. In other words, your skin transforms, you got to tell your friends, or they want to know, so you share it. So why not pay, or why not benefit the people who love the product instead of the department store?
And this is something we feel so great about, because we have been able to change the skin of literally millions of people,
and you're empowering people
around the world, and nothing makes us happier than somebody coming up and saying, thank you. You know, what you did for my child is just amazing. We wanted to take it another step. We are giving people the opportunity, empowering them to have their own business. As my dad used to say, and make your own money, to be financially independent. And give people everywhere an opportunity, an economic opportunity to be entrepreneurs and be successful. With Rodan and Fields, we give you the opportunity to be your own boss, to literally make your own money, to determine your economic future.
That's excellent. And so passion, we know, I mean, as entrepreneurs ourselves, it's like you have to feel connected. You have to know that you love the product that you're selling.
Yeah, absolutely. It gives you all the credibility in the world. And we feel very confident that if somebody tries our products, they're going to love it. They're going to see changes, not just a little bit, but other people should notice. As Dr. Fields said, with the ingredients that we have, which are medicines, active cosmetic agents, it will literally change your skin so that you can go naked. You don't have to wear the foundation and the concealer.
Okay, so I'm a woman at home, I'm watching this, and I'm going, how do I do this? What do I do? How do I do it?
All right, you go and you find us, RodanandFields.com, and you learn all
It's Rodan and Fields, A-N-D, not a little ampersand, it's A-N-D. Okay.
That's right, and what you'll learn is the company and the compensation plan and how it's done. It's really plug and play. What you need is the passion and the desire. And with Rodan and Fields, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself, because we have everything covered.
And you want to try and find a consultant in your area. It will guide you there, and you can check us out on Facebook and Twitter.
So you tweet, you Twitter, you Facebook.
We're modern girls.
That's right, with a modern product. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, and I'm sure that everyone at home can't wait to join the team.